तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा का कहना है कि पाकिस्तान के ऊपर भारतीय बेबुनियाद इल्ज़ामात दहशतगर्दी से रंगे हाथ छुपाने की कोशिश है, जबकि पाकिस्तान खुद भारतीय रियासती दहशतगर्दी का शिकार है। हफ्तावार प्रेस ब्रीफिंग में तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा नफी ज़िक्रिया का कहना था,
We are deeply saddened by the loss of precious human lives during the recent terrorist attacks in Afghanistan, brotherly country of Afghanistan. We condemn these terrorist attacks, sympathize with the victims' families, and pray for the early recovery of those who sustained injuries. As you're aware that the U.S. Acting Under Secretary of State and SRAP Ambassador Alice Wells is on a bilateral visit to Pakistan. The U.S. delegation called on the Foreign Secretary, Tahmina Janjua, and the entire gamut of bilateral relations and regional issues, including the deteriorating security situation in Afghanistan, were reviewed. In fact, the meeting is still going on.
इंसानी हुकूक के हवाले से बात करते हुए नफी ज़िक्रिया ने कहा,
Coming to the human rights, grave human rights situation in Indian occupied Kashmir, which has been worsening by every passing day due to ever increasing atrocities by the Indian occupation forces with impunity. Indian occupation forces martyred 8 Kashmiris in last 6 days. You'll have the names when you see the transcript. In Pulwama, Kupwara and Baramulla districts. Over 110 people, mostly young boys, including over 70, some elderly, over 70 with pellet gun shots. Among the victims, among those who got injured, there are 70 who suffered from the pellet gun shots and bullets by the firing by the Indian forces.
मकबूजा कश्मीर पर भारत की जानिब से होने वाले मजालिम पर बात करते हुए उनका कहना था,
The Indian forces have been using excessive brute force, bullets, pellets, tear gas, shells on defenseless Kashmiris during peaceful protest in occupied Kashmir. Pakistan strongly condemns these killings by India and use of brute force against peaceful Kashmiri protesters in IOK. In its malicious tactics, India continues to harass Kashmiri leaders in its desperation to portray the Kashmiri indigenous movement for self-determination as terrorism. The world has rejected Indian attempts. We condemn continued unlawful containment of Hurriyat leaders, confinement of Hurriyat leaders, Sayyid Ali Gilani, Mirwais Umar Farooq, Muhammad Yasin Malik, Shabir Ahmad Shah, and the prolonged illegal detention of, under the Black Law Public Safety Act of Musrat Alam Bhatt, Asya Andrabi, Fahmida Sufi, and other hundreds of Hurriyat leaders, activists, and students. Kashmiris have been denied their right to offer Jummah prayers for 6th consecutive Friday, and I'm not sure whether it will be allowed on the tomorrow also. International community, particularly the UN, must respond to the horrendous realities on ground in Indian occupied Kashmir. The government and the people of Pakistan remain committed to extend moral, diplomatic and political support to our oppressed brothers and sisters in Indian occupied Kashmir in their just struggle against Indian illegal occupation.
अफगानिस्तान और पाकिस्तान ताल्लुकात पर बात करते हुए तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा नफी ज़िक्रिया ने मज़ीद कहा,
As you know that Ambassador Alice Wells, who is on a visit here, has recently assumed charge as acting Assistant Secretary for South and Central Asian Affairs, and also as acting Special Representative for Afghanistan and Pakistan, the SRAP. Well, her visit is taking place in the backdrop of U.S. policy review on Afghanistan in the regional perspective. We consider it an important visit which provides us an opportunity to discuss the entire gamut of bilateral relations and share a perspective on Afghanistan and broader issues related to this region. So during the review, all issues were discussed, and definitely we have the issue of Kashmir is taken up with all the visiting delegations, that atrocities which are going on I have been mentioning, and they have been taken up. And as I mentioned in my opening remarks as well, that the discussion was also in the context of situation in Afghanistan. So when we discuss, all aspects come in under the discussion.
गुज़िश्ता 50 सालों से आपका एतमाद लिए रूफी प्रॉपर्टीज आपके लिए लाए हैं वही मयार, रूफी पर्ल सिटी।
अपने लिए मुंतखब कीजिए जिंदगी के शहाना रंग, तमाम सहूलतें, तमाम आसाइशें, ये ख्वाब नहीं, आइए रूफी पर्ल सिटी। रूफी पर्ल सिटी स्कीम 33 की प्राइम तरीन लोकेशन पर M9 इंटरचेंज के साथ मेमार मोड़ के सामने और मेमन हाउसिंग सोसाइटी के दरमियान। पर्ल सिटी 120, 150, 200 और 240 गज के तैयार बैंगलोर पर मुश्तमिल एक मुकम्मल सिक्योर्ड गेटेड कम्युनिटी लिविंग प्रोजेक्ट। ऐसी आसाइशें और सहूलतें जो आपने कभी देखी न सुनी। पहले साइट आइए, तैयार बैंगलोर देखिए, फिर फैसला कीजिए। रूफी ब्रदर्स की गोल्डन जुबली ओवरसीज और साबका तमाम माइनॉरिटीज के लिए 10% का खसूसी डिस्काउंट।
बुकिंग और दीगर तफसीलात के लिए ईस्टलैंड मार्केटिंग UAN 11117834।
Lotus Lake Towers, a groundbreaking endeavor by Lotus Properties.